Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Professor. In this video, we will talk about how to make a good relationship with others. I think, if you want to be good to others, first you must know how to be good to yourself. Many people are accustomed to blaming others for a breakdown in their lives or for unexpected troubles. My girlfriend always suspects me, she can't understand me, my boss is shit, my neighbors are mad. We are used to blaming others like this when our life is messed up. So if you do this, it means that your life depends on someone else. That means you have not lived well with yourself. You haven't been given any kind of respect for yourself. You think of yourself as a miserable man, who can't even take care of yourself. So if you live like that, you can never live well with others. If they say or do something bad to you, you think they are bad people. So now the question is, how can we be happy with ourselves? So the first thing is to accept that you are responsible for things like sadness and happiness in your life. And stop living your life for the needs of others. Because you are not automatically happy when you have met the needs of others or made others happy. Especially you are not happy when you tried to make your parents' dreams come true. You have to live in your own rhythm. So if you can chase your dreams while making your parents' dreams come true, then you will truly win. Because you live well with yourself. A lot of people like to associate with fun people. So if you are happy, then the people around you are just automatically come happy. In other words, if you are happy, your relationship will be full of marvelous. So, if you like videos like this, subscribe to the channel and like the video. You would also know a lot like this. Let's talk all about it in the comment section. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. Goodbye.